Welcome to Loadmac Essentials, a series of videos which cover some of the fundamental information when it comes to the correct operation and maintenance of your Loadmac Truck Mounted Forklift. In this video, we are going to take a look at the correct mounting and dismounting procedures of your Loadmac Truck Mounted Forklift onto a wheel plate type mounting kit. Let's start with dismounting. Firstly, disconnect the electrical lighting cable, often known as a SUSI cable, and safely stow this away. Next, then start the engine using the ideally placed key without having to climb onto the machine. Ensuring the seat is tilted to engage the rear levers, use the rear lever controls to lift and tilt the Loadmac to allow the transport chains to be removed. Remove the transport chains and stow safely. Next, use the rear levers to lift and tilt the truck so the wheels come off the wheel plate. Extend the reach to move the truck backwards to position the wheels behind the wheel plate. Then lower the Loadmac to the ground and level the machine, ensuring all three wheels are on the ground. Lower the seat down, which automatically disengages the rear man-on-the-ground control levers. You can now climb onto the forklift, ensuring 3 points of contact as you enter. And ensure you fasten your seatbelt and lower the sidearm. Release the pressure on the forks within the pockets and retract slightly to confirm they are free. Check the rear wheel is straight back, and now you're ready to go. To move off, check it is safe to first move, and then release the park brake and reverse back carefully, making sure to clear the forks from the pockets. Finally, lower the forks and tilt back, check the integrated second reach is fully in, and then push the mast forwards to travel. With your work complete, let's now look at correct mounting. Start by driving up to the rear of the lorry and align the Loadmac with the host vehicle, checking the integrated second reach is fully in. Position the forks into the fork pockets. Drive in and position the mast so that the wheels are just behind the wheel plate. Please note, there is no point extending the mast beyond this point, as this will be an inefficient way to load the machine. Next, lower the forks to apply pressure on the forks within the fork pockets. With the forks fully engaged, then turn the rear wheel 90 degrees to reduce the overhang. Next, switch the park brake on, lift the sidearm, remove your seatbelt, and exit the machine, ensuring 3 points of contact at all times. At the rear of the Loadmac, tilt the seat up, which engages the man-on-the-ground control levers. Use the rear levers to position the truck as follows. Lift the wheel clear of the wheel plates. Tilt the Loadmac forward. Retract the mast to move the Loadmac onto the wheel plate. Check the height and angle to ensure that the transport chains can be fitted. And fit the transport chains into the appropriate mounting hole and secure with the clip. Switch off the engine and remove the key. Finally, cycle the rear levers to relieve hydraulic pressure to tighten the transport chains and secure onto the wheel plate. Finish up by connecting the rear lighting electrical cable and check the rear lighting for operation, and you're ready to go.